Imagine waking up in 2030. It's not a sci-fi movie, it's your actual life, powered by AI. Your day starts not with a blaring alarm, but with your smart home gently adjusting the lights and temperature, knowing your sleep cycle. You walk into the kitchen, and your AI assistant has already brewed your coffee just the way you like it. It displays your personalized schedule on the fridge door, which, by the way, has already ordered groceries because it knew you were running low on milk. This isn't just convenience, it's a seamless, predictive environment designed around you. Now, let's talk about work. The dreaded commute? For many, it's a thing of the past. AI has revolutionized industries, automating repetitive tasks and freeing up humans for more creative and strategic roles. Think of AI as your ultimate coworker, handling data analysis in seconds, drafting reports, and even brainstorming ideas with you. This shift means jobs will focus more on what we do best: innovation, empathy, and complex problem solving. It's less about the grind and more about meaningful contribution. What about your health? It's proactive, not reactive. Wearable sensors you barely notice are constantly monitoring your vitals. Your AI health assistant analyzes this data in real time, detecting potential issues before they even become problems. It might suggest a change in your diet, a walk in the park to lower stress, or even schedule a checkup with a doctor, providing them with all the necessary data in advance. It's like having a personal physician with you 24/7, keeping you healthier for longer. And finally, your personal AI assistant is more than just a voice on your phone. It's your true partner in life. It manages your finances, helps you learn new skills, plans your vacations, and even acts as a companion, understanding your moods and offering support. It remembers everything, so you don't have to, freeing up your mental space for what truly matters: connecting with loved ones and enjoying the world. The year 2030 isn't about robots taking over. It's about AI augmenting our lives, making them more efficient, healthier, and ultimately, more human. The future is closer than you think, and it's incredibly exciting. What part of this AI-powered future are you most looking forward to? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more glimpses into the future.